When you think of hypercar, what comes to mind? Is it the speed, the power, or the design? Maybe it's the unmistakable aura of exclusivity, a sense that you're looking for something more than just a car. Hypercars are the pinnacle of automotive engineering, blending cutting-edge technology with artistry to create machines that defy limits. They're not just vehicles, they're masterpieces, often referred to as unicorns for their rarity, beauty, and almost mythical status in the automotive world. To truly understand hypercars, we must first define what separates them from the rest. A hypercar isn't just fast, it's revolutionary. It pushes the boundaries of speed, design, and engineering to create something extraordinary. Think of Bugatti Chiron, capable of breaking the 300 mph barrier, or Rimac Navira, a fully electric hypercar boasting 1,914 horsepower, redefining what's possible in sustainable performance. These cars go beyond supercars like the McLaren 720S or the Ferrari F8. They're the automotive equivalent of walking on the moon. Why are hypercars called unicorns? It's simple. They're rare, magical, and nearly impossible to own. Pagani, for instance, produces only a handful of cars each year. Every piece, from the titanium bolts to the carbon fiber weave, is meticulously handcrafted. Koenigsegg creates engineering marvels like the Jesko, with patented technologies you won't find anywhere else. And Gordon Murray's T50 reimagines the hypercar by prioritizing driver engagement over raw speed, featuring a stunning naturally aspirated V12 engine that screams like no other. These cars are unlike anything you'll see on your morning commute. You can't just walk into a shop to replace a part. If your Pagani mirror cracks, it's a bespoke piece that may take months to recreate. That's the beauty of hypercars, their scarcity, their craftsmanship. They embody the idea of perfection, making them true automotive unicorns. In the hypercar world, few names evoke more reverence than the Holy Trinity: the Porsche 918 Spyder, McLaren P1, and Ferrari LaFerrari. These three cars, introduced in the mid-2010s, represent a moment in automotive history when manufacturers sought to combine blistering performance with hybrid technology. Each one is iconic in its own right. The Porsche 918's plug-in hybrid system provided all-wheel drive and mind-blowing acceleration. The McLaren P1 focused on raw driver experience. The Ferrari LaFerrari epitomized Italian passion and design. But the Holy Trinity isn't just a collection of cars. It's a symbol of hypercar worship. For some enthusiasts, these cars transcend the physical. They become objects of obsession, symbols of status, and for the lucky few who own one, a spiritual experience. It's no wonder people refer to hypercars as works of art. Each one tells a story, evokes emotion, and inspires awe. Owning a hypercar isn't for the faint of heart or wallet. Beyond the initial price tag, which often starts in the millions, maintenance can be daunting. Each part is a unique, handcrafted component. A simple replacement could take weeks or even months. And then there's the question of where to service it. Few mechanics are qualified to work on these machines, meaning owners often rely on factory-certified technicians who might need to fly in just to change the tyres. But for those who own a Bugatti, Pagani, or Koenigsegg, these challenges are part of the allure. They're not just buying transportation, they're investing in something timeless, something irreplaceable. These cars are often kept in climate-controlled garages, driven sparingly, and cherished like family heirlooms. Hypercars are more than just machines. They're cultural icons. Take the Rimac Navira, which proves that electric cars can outperform traditional combustion engines in every way, or the Hennessy Venom F5, which aims to be the fastest car in the world. The Aston Martin Valkyrie pushed the limits of aerodynamics and technology, creating vehicles that wouldn't look out of place in a science fiction movie. Each of these cars represents something bigger: innovation, passion, and the pursuit of perfection. They remind us that cars can be more than tools for transportation. They can be dreams realized, ideas brought to life, and legacies in the making. As we look to the future, hypercars continue to evolve. Companies like Rimac are leading the charge in electric innovation, while traditional manufacturers like Ferrari and McLaren are adapting to new sustainable goals. The next generation of hypercars will likely blend electric and hybrid power with even more advanced materials and design philosophies. But no matter how they change, the essence of the hypercar will remain. They will always be rare, beautiful, and groundbreaking. And for those lucky enough to experience one, it's not just about owning a car, it's about being part of something extraordinary. So what is a hypercar? It's not just speed or luxury, it's the art of engineering, the thrill of exclusivity, and the idea that some things are worth dreaming about. They're unicorns, holy grails, and pieces of rolling art that inspire passion and awe, and that's what makes them truly special. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe and we'll see you in the next one.